Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we are talking about beans. I realized that in the past 6 years that I have been blogging, I've never seriously talked about beans, and this is because beans are a common dish in most African households. You will find that each region has its own variation, and today I will be talking about how to make Ugandan beans. You can find the link to the full and detailed recipe in the link in the description below. As much as beans are a common dish in most African households, there are a few tips and tricks that I'm going to show you in this video that you can use to take your beans from good to exceptional. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to soak our beans. Before you soak your beans in water, make sure that you have removed all the dirt and stones and rocks. You can soak the beans for up to 12 hours, or like me, you can soak them overnight. After soaking the beans overnight, they are going to soften and the skin will be loose. The next thing we're going to do is to cook them. I used a pressure cooker to cook the beans for up to 45 minutes because I wanted them to be very soft. If you are not using a pressure cooker and you're using a regular pot, then you can cook the beans until they are soft and tender. Next, we are going to move on to frying the beans. The first thing you're going to put in your pot that is hot is oil, and then some garlic, and then some onions, and let the onions cook until they are soft but they have not burnt. The next thing we're going to add are our tomatoes, and we are going to let them cook also until they soften. You can cover your pan if you need to let the tomatoes cook enough. The next thing we're going to add is green pepper and some ginger, and then we continue stirring. Next, we're going to add some curry powder, some coriander powder, some black pepper powder, and finally some salt. And then continue stirring. Next, we are going to add our beans and then stir well till all the ingredients are well incorporated. next thing we're going to be adding to the beans is just a little water so that they don't burn, so that we can let them cook in their juices until they have reduced. At this point, you can increase the fire and let the beans cook till all that water reduces down. At this point, we're going to add the rest of the water and then reduce the fire and let the beans slowly simmer on fire till they are a thick, rich stew. The point here is that the longer the beans cook, the better the taste will be. So they can cook from 30 minutes to an hour depending on how thick you want them to be. Keep stirring occasionally to make sure that the beans don't burn at the bottom. Remember, you can find the full recipe in the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and watch out for more videos coming. Thank you.